to me, confess your love, at least just say, confess your love, let me say.
So guys, that's the trending sound on YouTube, precisely. TikTok, I think so. Instagram, yeah. It's trending on all those platforms, all the social media platforms. In case you're new here, my name is Teoluckzboom. I do dance tutorials and dance challenges for you guys to see on this challenge. Now, this is the trending sound. I won't take too long on this video. It's a simple dance step, guys, for you guys. Now, the first step in this tutorial, in case you have not liked this channel, kindly subscribe to this video channel, like this video, share to your friends and family. I'll see you guys in my next video. Now, the first step, the first challenge is you run. So it's run to meet, confess your love and EPC. So you run first, guys. So it's run to meet, understand, you confess your love. So you wind your waist, guys. You can wind your waist, just wind your hips round like this. Wind your hips round. So it's 5, 6, 7, 8. Run to meet, confess your love and EPC. So that's the first step, guys. Let's do it together. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Run to meet, confess your love and EPC. Let's talk a little bit, guys. So those of you that don't know how to wind your waist, it's very easy, guys. It's very easy. All you have to do is just to stretch and twist and wind. You wind your waist, guys. You wind your waist. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Run to meet, confess your love and EPC. So guys, that's the first step. Now the second step in this tutorial is you go to your right, to your left, to your right, to your left. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Run to meet, confess your love and EPC. Confess your love and confess your love and. So that's the first step. Second step, guys. That's the second step in this tutorial. Let's go. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Run to meet, confess your love and EPC. Confess your love and confess your love and. So guys, the next after that, next episode, so carry one leg forward, the other leg backward. So it's 1, 2, 1, 2. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Run to meet, confess your love and EPC. Confess your love and that doesn't mean adding more steps to the dance class, guys. Yes, I'm not subscribed to this channel. Kindly subscribe down below. Subscribe down below, like this video, share it with your friends, and let's keep up the tutorial, guys. So one more time, guys. One more time from the start. 5, 6, 7, 8. Run to me, confess your love and EPC. Confess your love and confess your love and confess your love and That's it, guys. That's the dance tutorial for you guys to watch. I do it in slow-mo, guys. In slow-mo for you guys. In slow-mo. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Run to meet, confess your love and so you can manipulate the hands, manipulate it, guys. You go 1, 2, or you go 1, 2, or you go 1 to your head, 2, go down again, 1 to your head, 2. So let's go from start one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Run to meet, confess your love and confess your love. Go again. So guys, that is the dance tutorial. In case you are new here, can you subscribe down below? In case you are still watching, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like this video, share to your friends and family, and let's keep up the dance, guys. Let's keep the dance. In case you tag me in for videos, don't let me know in the comment section. And whatever tutorial I want me to do, guys, I will do it for you guys to watch or you guys to see. Just let me know in the comment section. I will do it for you guys. And if you want to watch 2 videos over here, I'll make sure to see you guys in my next video. Peace.